G'day investors, welcome to the 12th of December 2014. The trade for today is called Old Mutual, OML. Code is OML and the last traded price was 30 Rand and 90 cents. The action on this trade is to do a short or sell with the objective to trade it from this high to this low. Entry level on the dotted blue line is 34 Rand and 14 cents. Stop loss to be used is 34 Rand 95 on the red line. Target level is on the green line of 32 Rand 52. Looking at current open trades, FSR, MDC, SA Breweries and Shoprite. These are all open trades as we speak. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 share on the JSE. The blue line is the index movement and they're currently trading underneath the 5-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average showing more downside momentum. Looking at the Dow Jones, they had a big close of 268 points on previous sessions, and on Thursday evening they closed 63 points positive to a level of 17,596. But currently they're busy losing that momentum and they're about 65 points down. So the futures are showing a negative opening. We need to track it closely for late afternoon opening. That also had an effect on our markets for opening, on a negative opening on the top 40 index, and that will be impacted by a negative movement almost by 300 points. And as you can see, here's the top 40 index of the JSE going down in a downside momentum here. Low, high, low, high, low, high, lower. So this is a concern to our market, so we could see more downside happening. Gold is trading at $1,221 per ounce, and the rand and dollar is close to a level of almost $11.65. Now look at your retailers. Shoprite. Shoprite didn't have a lot of movement yesterday, a lot of uncertainty, even if the market came down late afternoon. So if you look at this, it's still in a down momentum. We need to track this low and this high here for any breakups to happen or more breakdowns to go down in this current downward channel. Mr. Price also stabilized here close to the 213, 214 level. You can see it on the share price. And Woolies also stabilizing here at the 76 Rand level, still between the green and the purple line and a downward momentum. Looking at your Barclays Bank. Barclays Bank went through this red line we spoke about yesterday on that support, broke it down, and it actually lost plus minus 3% yesterday by falling 5 Rand 23. So next expectation low could be back here at 168 with the shares trading at 172. Standard Bank also lost momentum and now it's testing this very important level of 136 Rand 48 on this Fibonacci of 23.6%. Broke the green middle Bollinger Band, now breaking this, and it could lead the share code to go back to a low of 134.33. But it's not a huge movement, most probably another 2 Rand into this downside. Looking at your MTNs, lost a lot of value, especially again, oil is trading underneath $60 a barrel, here at $59 a barrel. And you can see this downside momentum between the green and the purple line and between the channels happening on this downside of the share. So we could expect more bit of downside, specifically on this trade as well today. But keep a note on this low and that two lows. These are big huge support levels close to the level of 208, 208.50. At any time if it breaks to 208.50, this year can go definitely back to the levels of 192 in a more downside momentum. Vodacom. Vodacom also lost momentum after the big fall, now currently trading sideways. Shares like Imperial coming beautifully down after it broke its highs, now broke to 61.8%, currently trading at 173.47. Next expectation low definitely back here on this level of 100% of 165, so there could be another 6-7 Rand fall in this specific share as well. Track it very closely. If you look at Old Mutual itself, this is now a concern to me again on this 23.6% on a level of 3395. If broken, downside could be down back to 3193. And then your Investex, INP. INP still in the down cycle, expectation back to this 93.87 level. Yesterday it didn't close much lower, it was almost 20 cents down. So it's struggling to break this 95.82 level at this moment, 95, but the next expectation goes back to the 94 rand. Traders, enjoy your weekend. Please take note, future close off next week, Thursday. And volatility is still due in the markets. Enjoy.